There's a couple of cool things I wanted to point out. I just put some more plants into Kong, and there's one that's already trying to impress everyone. And this is a plant, I think you can see it right. Okay, I kind of washed down a couple of its petals, but you can see it right through there, right there where the purple is. And then these are the pink and, the purple and green leaves. This was from, those of you guys who know that I'm a flight attendant, I got this while I was on a layover. I did a little scavenger hunt in downtown San Diego, and I found that plant. And I thought that was just the cutest thing ever. And I thought, okay, I gotta have that for Kong. That's a must. And then we're gonna pop right up here, and you can see both of them. Yes, there's a Christmas cactus right there in the back. It decided to drop a couple of limbs, and I thought, okay, we'll put those in there. I'm always opportunistic and making sure I get anything in there I can that'll grow. And then right here, that is a succulent that was also in San Diego. So as you can see right there in the center frame there, it already has a bloom on it. It's already blooming, and I'm really, really excited about that. And a matter of fact, yesterday, there was one of the existing ladybugs came down and was on that plant. The ladybug's out because, maybe I suspect that they're doing their thing behind where it's in the upper canopy above where the light is. I think that's what's been going on there. But let me back up just a little bit more so you can see. Yep, there's a gnat. You guys can see it. I'm still having trouble with the gnats, but when I see them flying around, like there's one down there, I get my vacuum cleaner out and just pull them right out of there.